Hello, my name is Nabi Saya, and now I will talk about other 10 essentials for 2020. And the first thing is initiate. Try something new, do something new, talk to new people, visit a new place, try new food, because you don't know what you're missing. 12th essential for 2020 is going to be confidence. It's very important to have confidence in whatever you are doing. Trust me, there will always be someone, there will always be a negative comment, there will always be people who will say nahi ho sakta, tum nahi kar paoge, magar that's not how it should work. What people say should not matter, because there will always be people who will have negative comments about whatever you are doing. Then manage time. Again, a very important essential, especially when we are bombarded with so many things. 1 घंटे तक scrolling on Facebook and Instagram is something which is very common. So I would say know what your priorities are. I would say know what is urgent, know what is important, and focus on things which are important. If 80% of your tasks are urgent, something is wrong. And then another essential, which is essential number 14, and that is learn to say no. Why? Because if you're saying yes to everything that is being bombarded on you, you will not have time to do anything efficiently. So it's not about saying no just for the sake of saying no. It's about being honest with what you are doing, and you need time, you need focus, you need attention, and that can only come when you learn to say no. Your positioning, again, very important, essential, and why I'm saying it is because everyone has a persona. You know, whenever we say, okay, what comes to your mind when you think of Ferrari, and people will have certain positioning for a Ferrari. In the same way, you should also try to build your positioning. What your parents will say when you're not here anymore, what your friends will say, what your spouse will say, right? So develop a persona, because it is important. And the last 5 essentials that I would like to talk about is eliminations. So eliminate negative people from your life, because they will only bring in bad thoughts, they will only demotivate you. वो कहते हैं ना कि जब पत्थर पे पानी पड़ता रहे तो उस पे भी सुराख हो जाता है. In the same way, if negative people are just bombarding you with their thoughts again and again and again, and you will become negative. Eliminate negative media or any source of negative information, because that will only demotivate you, that will only make you not a good person or a successful person. Eliminate time pass things. Okay, then I get time pass kar rahe. Time pass is nothing. Time is the most important asset that you have, even more important than money, because money can be made. You can earn a lot of money, but you cannot earn time that you have wasted. So that's one thing which I would say is very important. Eliminate stressors. All the occasions, all the people, all the places, anything. Try to identify what gives you stress, and then eliminate that stress. Eliminate monotony from life, and that's again variety, as my friend says. Variety is the spice of life. Do something new, you will love it. Even if you try something new, you don't love it, you learn something. So finally, I would like to say is mauka hai, waqt hai. Aaj kar lo jo karna hai, because you don't know kal ho ya na ho. So on this note, I would end this video. Have an amazing, prosperous 2020. I'm traveling internationally. We'll be back now in 2020, and that's the last video for this year from my side. I hope it helps. Share it with others, and give me your feedback so that we can produce more videos for 2020. Thank you so much. Take care.